Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Natura AI is the name of a natural language way to use AI in a very human way. It comes from the folks at Rolling Square, who have made some very smart cables and charging devices for years. They're based in Switzerland, and the mission focuses on work-life balance. And the Natura AI venture strives for that too, and is now adding what the company calls HumanPods into the mix. Open-ear human augmentation AI earbuds. They're designed to let you tap to connect to what they call AI people. They offer natural real-time conversations. The HumanPods are on Kickstarter now, already surpassing the fundraising goal. More info, the site is Naturaumana.ai. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com, or just click on the link at techstination.com.